The video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is associated with the site Sedaks.live. Some people see these strange pop-ups by the site Sedaks.live. These pop-ups are obviously fake and deceptive, and if you see them, you should not tolerate them. Such pop-ups could be the consequence of certain adware on the system. If you see these fake alerts, do not trust them and do not interact with them. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive. Don't install anything that they ever suggest. The only correct conclusion is to leave this page. We also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then once it gets installed, start carefully examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.